Please excuse me having no makeup on for my intro today. That's not normally my style. But anyway, so Royal Talens has asked me to be their Artist of the Month for July 2024. And they've sent me a box of beautiful products to use. The theme for July is violet colours. So they've sent me some lovely different shades of violet in the little mini tubes, which are so cute. These little tubes, they're just gorgeous. So we've got ultramarine violet, we've got permanent red violet light. This one is permanent blue violet. I love that colour, that's amazing. This one I don't actually have in my, I've never used this colour before. It's Naphthol Red Deep. We've got Cobalt Blue Ultramarine and Greyish Blue. Haven't used that one in a long time. So they're the main colours that I'm going to be using in my painting, and white. Then they've also sent me the Amsterdam pouring medium. So I don't normally use pouring mediums, as you would probably remember if you follow my channel. My preferred method is just paint and water, because these paints are such good quality that I can thin them down to the consistency that I like just with water. So it's going to be fun to try the pouring medium today and see what results I come up with, and whether I actually end up using water in conjunction with that. I have a feeling I might, so we will see. They've also sent me a gel medium in a matte finish, and I want to, because they know that I use stencils and I love using those. So I have a plan of using an Eastern Spinebill hummingbird kind of bird, a honeyeater basically. And in Australia we have one called the Eastern Spinebill. And I cannot get these little birds out of my head at the moment. I'm not sure why, but I have to do a painting with one of these little Eastern Spinebills in my painting. So this is a perfect opportunity. Of course, with these colours, it's certainly not going to be, we're going for an abstract effect with the bird. I think I might do my bird in gold. Of course, I will be using Amsterdam paints in that, and I will try out the gel medium. But to begin with, we have to do an acrylic pour. That's my starting point, is an acrylic pour. And then after that, when the painting has cured, I will then add on my stencil of my Eastern Spinebill. So let's begin and have some fun. Right, so we're going to put my Eastern Spinebill in the, we're going to do the rule of threes. So we'll put the spinebill over here, and I want to have a blowout here to accentuate the wings, a blowout kind of here, and then one coming down over here. Two. Yep, so it'll go psh, psh. That's the plan. Right, got it. Okay, I'm starting by blowing out the paint. I already did it once and I wasn't happy with it, so I scooped it back up again, and now I'm going to blow it out the second time. Okay, it's taken a lot of effort to get the base right today. Every time you try to do an acrylic pour, something different will happen. It's quite unbelievable. Okay, good. That's how I'm going to order the paints. And I think what I'll do is I'm going to do two blowout designs. I'm going to do one over here. Let's hope and I'm just trying to visualize my Honeyeater over here. So I'll do one. And then I want to do another one over here. So that one was called greyish blue. Now we've got blue violet. I feel like I'm about to do a swipe the way I'm lining these paints up here. And this is permanent violet light. Ultramarine. This is the Naphthol red, the new colour for me. This is the blue violet light. Oh no, hang on, I wanted to put on the Azo yellow light. Now we'll do the blue violet light. And we'll do this one is called red violet, permanent red violet. I've got no gold. I have to put some gold in. I can't not have gold. I'll have to get the gold. Actually, I've changed my mind. I'm going to put bronze in because our bronze will look awesome with the violets. Okay, here goes nothing. Let's do this. Well, there's some pretty magical colours going on here. I think when I put my beautiful bird up here, it's going to look gorgeous. Naughty little hairs that appear. Oh. So the bird is going to go, oh, that's going to be awesome. Oops, oh, pff, ah. And that's why you don't do that. Because you'll drop it in the paint. That's going to be fantastic up there. Really great. Perfect spot. It's going to be awesome. Yep, it's going to fit in really nicely in that bit there. Not sure whether you can see that very well like I can. There's no sharp, ugly lines in it, which is great. There's a lot of paint under there. It's kind of hiding under the white though. I don't want to end up with more white. I don't think there's much I would have to blow that whole. I'll have one try. It's all right. That's fine. Okay, well, I'm going to touch up my sides and I will be back with you for part 2 of this video.